Hey peeps! Today you guys are going to work on properties of logs day 1. Make sure you're doing assignment 10. So yesterday we looked at logs, how to rewrite them, how to type them on the calculator. Okay. Today we're going to look at how to solve them with algebra. I will say the first step is the same for all the problems. But after that, you kind of need to know how to do the algebra, okay? So, for those of you guys that are better at math, okay, help the people who are not, okay? So, in order to start solving these, you need to get rid of the word log, okay? And we see here that I have log 11, okay? And that 11 is very important. So, in order to get rid of a log, you need to raise it to that power, okay? So, essentially what we're going to do is say, you're going to put this underneath, because you know how like you have a power and then you have a number above? That's what we're doing, okay? So now this is 11 raised to the power of log 11, okay? And then whatever you do in algebra on one side, you have to do to the other side. Okay, and what this does here on the left is cancel it out. Okay, and so now we're just left with x minus 2 equals, well, 11 to the 1 power, okay, is 11. Okay, and the powers you guys might have to do on your calculator. Well, now how do I solve for x? Okay, well, I have a minus 2, so what's the opposite of minus? It's plus 2. Plus 2. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So what is 11 plus 2? 13. Sophia's learning about logs too. Okay? And so now we've solved for this log. Okay? And if I'm going too fast, then pause it. Okay, we can look at 3, and we also see that that log base is 11, so you're going to raise both to the 11th power. Okay, and some of these you're going to need a calculator. Sky, go lay down. Okay, so if we look at this first one, these are going to cancel out, and you're left with negative 9n equals 11 to the 2 power, okay, is 11 times 11. Okay, it should look like this on your calculator. Okay, and I would just double check them, because if you write the wrong number down, literally everything below it is going to be wrong. Okay, so just check the squareds. We got 121. Okay, and then what does this mean? Negative 9n. Well, when they're right next to each other like that, it means times. So you're going to need to divide by negative 9. Okay, so again, using our calculator, 121 divided by negative 9. Okay, and you're still going to get a fraction on your calculator, and that's going to be, I don't even know how to erase on here. Just ignore that, because I don't know how to erase. Okay, we're going to say n equals negative, I just did it again, 121 over 9. Okay, that is our answer. If you get a decimal, okay, hit the SD button and convert it to that fraction, okay? But it's 13.44444. Okay. 5. What is our number that is next to the log? Okay. So our number is a 4, so you're going to raise it to the 4 power on both sides. Okay, so this is going to cancel. So we got n plus 6 equals, well, what is 4 to the 0 power? Okay, and if you don't know this, hopefully you do, but some of you I know don't. Anything raised to the 0 power is 1. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's x to the 0 power, 1 million, a, b, c, d, plus x, y, z, plus 4ab, plus 1 million to the 0 power is going to be 1. Okay, and then we look at this. Okay, well, how do I move a plus 6? What's the opposite of plus? So you're going to say minus 6 on both sides. And equals, what is 1 minus 6? going to be negative 5
So you can't do that.
equals n. Okay, so if you look at 7, we see a definite difference between 7 and the rest. I mean, 8 kind of looks like it too, but what's the matter with that one? Okay, well, there's no number next to the log. Okay, now we know in math from previous stuff, like if we have an x, it's really, there's a 1 in front of that. Okay, if we have a square root, there's really a 2 outside of here. Okay, logs, if there's no number there, it really is a log base of 10. Okay, log has a basic base of 10, so you're going to raise both sides to the 10 power. So we're going to have m minus 9 equals 10 to the 2 power. Okay, and that's going to be 100. And then we need to move that minus 9. So what is the opposite of minus 9? It's going to be plus 9. And what is 100 plus 9?
109.
It's going to be m equals 109. Okay, and again, if I'm going too fast, then pause it. Keep it moving. Okay, 9. That log has a base of 6. Okay, and we're looking at this, so we're going to raise both sides to the 6th power. So you're going to have m minus 5. 6 to the 1 power is going to be 6. Okay, and again, for those powers, use your calculator, okay? You're just going to type in 6 to the 1, and it's going to spit you out a 6. Okay, and then we're going to add 5 over. Okay, well, what is 6 plus 5?
11.
It's going to be 11. Oh, this is how you erase, peeps. I didn't see that there. Okay, 11. Our log base is what? Okay, it's 7, so you're going to raise both sides to the 7th power. So we got 2m plus 3 equals, well, 7 to the 1 power is going to be 7. Okay, now we're getting more complex. So what needs moved first? The 2 or the 3? Okay, we always move stuff away from the letter first. So we're going to say minus 3 first. Okay, and what is 7 minus 3? 4. Okay, and then now I have this 2 next to this m, so that means times, so we need to divide. What is 4 divided by 2? Okay, and that's going to be 2. Okay, 11. We have a log base of 11, or 13, I'm sorry. A log base of 11, so we're going to say 13 on both sides. So I got 10r plus 1 equals, and I don't know what that is. Okay, some of these are really big, so if you don't know what they are, then just check it on the calculator. So you're going to say 11 to the 3rd power. Okay, and again, I'm just typing those in to see what they are. Okay, and so that's going to give me 331. Okay, and then what do we move first, the 10 or the 1? Okay, we're going to subtract 1 first. So I got 10r equals 1330. And then we're going to divide by 10. And so that's going to be r equals 133. Okay, 15, we're going to raise both sides to the 9. So I got 3n plus 2. Okay, 9 squared is going to be 81. Then we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. So I got 3n equals 79. And then you're going to divide by 3. Okay, and so we're going to get n equals, and it'll give you a decimal of 26.333 repeating, so we're going to leave that in the simplified fraction form, which is still 79 over 3. Okay. 17, my log base is 6, so we're going to raise both sides to the 6th power. Okay, so I got 9n plus 9 equals 6 to the 4th. Okay, is going to be 1296. Then we're going to subtract 9. We get 1287. And then you're going to divide by 9. So you're going to get n equals 143. Okay, last one, 19. Our log is a 5. So you're going to raise both to the 5. So you got negative 10b plus 5 equals, okay, 5 to the 0. What's anything to the 0 power? We talked about this today. It's 1. Okay, so you're going to minus 5. So you got negative 10b equals negative 4. Okay, and then you're going to divide by negative 10. So you're going to get the reduced fraction, when you type that in, is going to be 2/5, okay, which is 0.4. Okay, you guys got 10 to do. Go through and get them done. Friday is Free Friday, okay, so based on how you guys do, we can go to the gym or what have you. But if a bunch of you guys don't do the assignments, then you're not going to be going anywhere. Okay, I will see you guys hopefully on Wednesday, but if not, keep up on your work. Text me if you need any help, and I will gladly help you.